Here I am standing in one of the most amazing places on earth, and it's absolutely a magical place. And I'm excited to announce a new thing we're doing. This is season 1 of this thing we're calling Becoming an Artist with Trey Ratcliff. And we wanted to do something totally different than we've ever done before. I think that so much of photography is becoming an artist, getting to know yourself, kind of recreating yourself constantly. And I find that photography is a wonderful tool for this. And what is it like to become an artist? What is it like to find that creative self inside of you? That's really what this series explores.
There's plenty of post-processing, and every episode shows how I first take the photo and then use a variety of tools to make it look as awesome as it felt at the time. I see things in a very rich and cinematic way, and I absolutely love the whole creative process, from the initial shot all the way through the fun tools I use on my computer. As for the beginning of the creative process, this is where the series takes a departure from anything else I've done before. I start each of the 15 episodes of this season with a very personal story. These might be strange stories from my childhood, embarrassing stories as a grown-up, or just weird stories about how I became an artist, and everything in between. From each of them, I pull some kind of life lesson, I suppose. I've carried it forward into my photography and art. The 15 episodes touch on topics of composition, color, light, and inspiration. This series will not only show you lots of photography tips and tricks, but it will inspire you to take your art into bold and new, interesting directions. So join me from the beginning of this grand adventure. I think you're going to love it. Thanks, and I'll see you soon in episode 1.